All right, guys, do you want to find out how to be a consistently profitable trader? Well, I'll give you the secret. There is no secret indicator, no secret level 5 charting software that you need, level 3, level 4. None of that matters. That's not going to make you a consistently profitable trader. What you just need is time in the markets. You have to be looking at the markets continuously. You have to show up every day, hours. You just have to put in the time. The first few years, I mean, over the past 2.5 years, I put in 6 to 8 hours on average a day for 365 days, for 365 times 2.5. That many days, 6 to 8 hours a day. There's no other way around it. There's no secret hack to get there faster. You just need to put in the time, and the sooner you can put in the time, then the sooner you can be consistently profitable. But there's no hack. You have to be able to just spend the time looking at your recordings, you literally record the market. You want to look at the market as it's going on, as it's happening. Record your screen in real time, and sit there from 9:30 at market open, or if you want to wake up earlier, watch pre-market and watch it till 4 p.m. Don't even take any trades in the beginning. Maybe do sim trading at most, if you're just beginning, and then just have that recording, and you need to just review that like 3 more times after the market closes. You have to just see these chart patterns unfolding repeatedly over time, like every time, again and again and again, and eventually it just starts to develop like a sixth sense in your mind to be able to see and read the markets, and you can profit off of them. You can develop a sixth sense to kind of anticipate what's going to happen next, and that is your edge. So if you just watch these patterns unfold time after time after time, thousands of times, and watch the level 2 and watch the tape all unfolding as the pattern is happening, then you can get a good idea of how the market is going to move and how it's going to react to certain levels based on what you're seeing on the level 2 of the tape or on the chart and the volume. So there's a lot to take in, and so there's a lot of different variables when it comes to trading. But you're not going to develop that sixth sense unless you are consistently watching it over and over and over again. And you're going to find like you can watch the same setup like 10 times in one day, and you're always going to find something that you missed. And that is your brain learning, and then in real time, when you're trading real money, you're going to be able to pick on these subtle cues that are going to tell you if the market is strong, the market is weak, if it's going to break out, false breakout, if it's extended, if it still has room to run, checking the daily charts. Just there's so many variables that you just need to watch these things over and over again so you can get a sort of a sixth sense develop. But there's no way around it. You just need to put in the time. There's no way around putting in the time and the effort. The good thing is that your competition, most people are lazy. So all you really need to do is just show up and at least put in some effort. Just put in the time. You don't have to like grit your teeth and like force yourself to do stuff. If you want to be a trader, you shouldn't have to force yourself to do anything. I mean, it shouldn't even be a trader if you have to force yourself to learn how to trade, because you're not going to make it. You have to, at least somewhat enjoy it. But, most people are lazy. All you got to do is just put in the time. It's not that hard. And you're going to be better. You're going to be in that 10% of traders, or that 20% of traders that make money, because 80% of the people are lazy. So all you just need to do is just sit down, and you just have to study. And trust, our brains are so able to comprehend this. Like, our brains are so like vast and able to conceive of the most like difficult things, like calculus and statistics and quantum physics. Like, our brains are so, like, the mind is so powerful, and you can use that into your advantage by trading and learning how to trade. So we have infinite knowledge. Our brains are capable of infinite knowledge, and You know, you just have to expose your brain, expose your mind to seeing the markets, and eventually you will adapt and you will develop that sixth sense. So no other way around it. You need to put in the time. That's the video, and I'll see you guys on the recap. That's right. Today there will be a recap later today. So looking forward to that. All right. See you guys later today. All right. Peace.